Hovear Air newbie mistake. So today I went walking up this tower, brought my drone with me. User error, completely my fault. I shouldn't have used it over the edge of the building as I did, but at least all was good. But stay watching for the results. It all started out good, sent the drone up for a bird's eye view, all going good here. And this is where things start to go wrong.
That didn't go so well. I need to get down there. There it is. Let's see how it is. Get covered in mud.
So the drone was fine. I learned a good lesson. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video and more content. Thanks, see you in the next one.